Hey, it's Garrick. Welcome back to my channel. To my right here, I have my lovely wife, Lisa.
Hi, everyone.
If you haven't seen my video last week, she actually kicked me out of the house and I actually slept in the Tesla Model Y. Thank you.
You're welcome.
But that's besides the point. The real reason for the video today is we want to talk about the Tesla Model 3 and the Model Y interior, and it's quite boring. What do you think, babe?
I agree.
And what I have here are VION console wraps that my wife is going to be unboxing, and on top of that, she's going to select which one she wants to install into the Tesla Model Y. Are you ready to do this?
Yep, ready.
All right, let's go do this. All right. Yeah, you want to do the honors?
Sure. Can you open this for me?
Don't stab me with this.
All right, just give it to me. All right, let's open the first one.
All right, so what we have here, this is the Alcantara style, and they also include the carbon fiber door handles. Pretty cool. All right, let's take a look at the next one.
Okay.
All right. This one is the wood grain, which is going to match the current interior today. And it also includes the carbon fiber door handles. All right.
Okay, the last one.
Ooh, this is my favorite. This is the carbon fiber style with the matching carbon fiber door handles. All right, so let's take a look at this here. All right, hon, you get to select which one to install in the Tesla. Which one do you think you like the best?
Right now, these two will be my top picks.
Okay.
This will be my least favorite.
Okay.
But I guess, I think this will match with your car the most.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that which one you want?
Yeah, let's try this one.
All right, so we're gonna install the carbon fiber dash. All right, let's go do this. Hey babe, you ready to do this?
Yep, let's do this.
All right, what do you got?
Well, I kind of want to change my option, and let's compare first before we do this.
Okay, what do we got?
So the first one here, my least favorite before, but this one matches with a charging dock.
Okay.
Let's see.
Do you like it?
Not too bad. Let's try the other ones.
Okay.
This one matches with the dashboard.
Mm-hmm. What do you think of that one?
Oh, this one looks nice too. Let me try the last one, which was my first option. Ooh, this one's nice too. I think we'll go with my first choice.
Okay.
Yeah, and it matches with the rear mirror.
You mean the side mirror?
Sorry, side mirror.
It's okay.
Yeah, so let's do this one.
Perfect. All right. So let's go over the installation and what we need to do. First, what we need to do is we need to take this wipe and we're going to wipe down the console. And then after that, I do have a spray bottle here. This has a little dish soap and water. So we want to soak a little bit of the console and the back of the wrap. So as we place the wrap onto the console, we can position it perfectly. And then what we can then use is a scraper / squeegee. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start sliding out the water and also put the console directly into the molding itself to make it a nice clean installation.
All right, let's start with the cleaning kit.
So the purpose of using these wipes is to really clean up the console, take away anything dust, take away pretty much anything that's gonna make the wrap not stick. So honey, make sure we do a nice good clean on that.
Yeah. Okay.
So which wrap do you want to start first? Do you want to start with this one or you want to start with this one?
Let's start with the top.
Okay.
Oh, the top looks a little easier.
Okay. I don't think we need that.
Do we need this?
No.
Okay. All right, next I'm just gonna spray the solution everywhere. Okay. Next, I'm just gonna peel the sheet off from the back.
Now the question, hun, is the wrap feel thin? Is it thick?
It's pretty thick.
Okay, good.
It's not flimsy or anything. Okay. Now I'm gonna spray more of the solution on here.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Put this. Use a scraper now.
I think what we should do is maybe line up a little bit more here first.
Yes.
Look at this. My wife is a perfectionist.
Let's just push this in. Now let's do the bottom part.
Wow, babe. You did a really good job.
Thank you.
So what are your thoughts of installing this?
It wasn't too bad. It does take a little more time. You gotta be patient and, you know, do it slowly to match all the corners and the edges.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really like it. I think it did a great job. I love the texture of the carbon fiber feel to it. But overall, honey, I think it did an awesome job.
Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
I really want to give kudos to my wife. She's done a great job in installing this for the first time. I didn't have the AC on the car. It is hot outside. Didn't want a lot of feedback as my wife is doing the installation. Overall, these wraps are pretty good quality. I really do like the touch and feel to it. And on top of that, it's actually really, really affordable. It's not super expensive compared to a lot of brands out there. And don't forget, you can save some money by using my discount code, GARRICKISH. I hope you liked the video. And if you want to see more of my wife doing some installations, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to my channel. All right, I'll catch you on the road.